So hello, my name is Dishan Kamkar and my student ID is 22306881. This is my project pitch for embedded systems development, task 6.1. So my project pitch, um, so my pro, so my project pitch is based on a non-variable device. It will be in a standalone position, and we can measure ECG and heart rate using that for old age people. So these type of machines can be given by the government to old age homes and native places where the medical service is delayed. So the problem statement is a limited integration with medical devices and lack of proactive health management features. So a new innovative industry solution will be a variable device. So same functioning but a variable device which will monitor health stats, and it can also give a responsive email or alert notification or a call to emergency services whenever there is any emergency situation with old people. So the gaps and opportunities are more integrated systems could provide continuous monitoring, proactive alerts, and seamless emergency communications. So let's move on to the components of this project. So in these components, we are using ECG sensor, one heart rate sensor. It can measure pulse rate also, and Arduino Nano 33 IoT, Raspberry Pi, and one monitor or a LCD screen to display GUI. So the communication protocol we are using for this project is when the sensors will be connected to Arduino, it will use I2C communications to send the data from. It will read the data and send it to Arduino, and we are using Wi-Fi communication protocol to send data connect Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and Hive MQTT protocol, Hive MQTT WebSocket client to connect Arduino and Raspberry Pi, which will send the data from Arduino to Raspberry Pi. So here Arduino, the system which is connected to Arduino is acting as a client, and the Raspberry Pi is a subscriber. So we will create some topics for that for two sensors. Let's say we created two topics, and it will send the data to Raspberry Pi, and it will be displayed onto a LCD display or a monitor using a HDMI cable. So the health stats will be visible on a GUI. So we'll be having a proper website or a application where we will be having a login page or a sign up page where we will feed our patient data, and it will be saved there. So but for every patient data will be saved there, and it will be accessible to all the healthcare members or professionals. So this the GUI will be looking like this, and it's a very simple GUI. Here you will add all the patient data, and here it will be saved. So this is our working of a project. So like I said, there are two sensors here connected to Arduino, ECG and heart rate. It will send data to Raspberry Pi. It will be connected over Wi-Fi networks, and the communication will be done by the MQTT WebSocket client. And this Raspberry Pi will display this on a monitor or a LCD display using a HDMI port. So like I said, the working Raspberry Pi will act as a um, uh, central computer which will display all the outputs, all the sensor data, and also it will save the data in a database. Arduino will act like a collecting body which will collect all the sensor data, and it will transmit it to Raspberry Pi. The sensors will collect all the health metrics, the health data, which is ECG and heart rate, and it will send it to the particular bodies. And the display unit GUI will display all the patient data. It will record all the patient's information, and it will show it to the particular healthcare professional. And it will be only authorized to the accessible doctors and authorized personals. So here I conclude my project pitch. Thank you.